hourly rate, minimums, and prorating. How does it all work and what does it even mean? Well, you know the hourly rate is the labor charge. It's essentially the time that it takes for the movers to actually perform the services for you. That labor charge starts when the movers arrive and you sign them in, and it ends when the movers unload or assemble your last item or even unpack your last item and that time ends. Now, with every move, there is a minimum. So it's important to get clarity on how long that minimum is. Is it 2 hours? Is it 3 hours? And also any amount of time over the minimum. How does the pricing work for that? These are all important questions for you to ask so you can best understand. And in terms of the proration, we prorate to every quarter. So technically, if the minimum is 2 hours and it's prorated over 2 hours, then anything over, we simply charge you for that quarter that you use. So if it's 2.5 hours, you simply pay for 2.5 hours. If it's 2 hours and 37 minutes, you'll round up to 2 hours and 45 minutes. And it's as simple as that.